Hey everybody, welcome back to my blog. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I just want to kind of jump into today's topic, and I want to talk to you about bi-weekly mortgage payments. One of the things that people don't understand is they always hear tips and tricks on how to pay off your mortgage, how to pay it down, how to get more equity out of your house. Well, this one simple trick is basically going to be pretty much what you need to get yourself started. Now, when I'm talking bi-weekly mortgage payments, we're talking about adding one extra payment on to your entire payment for the year. So instead of making 12 payments, you're making 13, except you're breaking it down every other week versus once a month on a payment. Now, let me give you an example how this would work. So let's say, for example, you purchased a house for $250,000. It was a couple of years ago, so the interest rate you got was right at 6%. Well, your monthly mortgage payment is going to be about $1,500, give or take a little bit. And over the life of the loan, on principal, you're going to pay about $289,000 and some change. Okay, so 250 plus 289, you can do the math, that's a lot of money. It doesn't matter, you're going to have to pay that anyway when you get the loan. Now, the second way that you do that is you do a bi-weekly mortgage payment, monthly mortgage payment, so you're paying twice a week instead of once a month. And so you're breaking that down, instead of $1,500, you're paying $750 every 2 weeks to the bank. Now, instead of paying the total amount on the principal and interest of the $289,000, you're only paying $222,000 on the principal and interest on that loan. You've saved about roughly $65,000, and you paid your house off 6 years earlier. So instead of taking it all the way out to the 30-year term, you're taking it out to 24 years. So very simple trick to do. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. You can talk to your bank about getting set up on a program like that. However, some banks like to charge you for doing that. There's no reason in the world you should have to pay for it. And the easiest thing to do is, if you don't like making the 2 weekly payments, by law, anything extra that you add to your payment has to go to the principal and interest. There's no question about that. The bank has to maintain that. So here's what I recommend you do. Take your mortgage payment, divide it by 12, and then so if you've got $1,200 as your mortgage payment, divide that by 12, and that becomes $100. So take $100 and add it on to the end of your payment every month. Basically what you've done is you've done the bi-weekly mortgage plan, except you're only paying once a month. And if you want to tack anything extra onto that too, that also helps and must go directly to the principal and interest of your loan. So, as always, if you happen to know anybody that's looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, please don't keep me a secret. And if you have any questions regarding loans or refinance for that matter, feel free to pick up the phone and give me a call. Thanks so much for your time, and hope to hear from you soon.